Before we begin, it's important to know that adding a search feature is one of the most overlooked improvements people can make to their Wix websites. A good search bar not only improves user experience, but can also increase your site engagement, reduce bounce rate, and help visitors explore more of your content. So in today's video, I'll guide you through everything step by step and also share a few optimization tips along the way. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a search app to your Wix website. Adding a search app to your site allows visitors to easily find the content they need. This can enhance the user experience and keep people returning to your site. Let's get started. Before you add the app, it's helpful to have a clear idea of which type of content your visitors usually search for, such as blog posts, products, portfolio items, or FAQ pages. This will help you customize the search functionality more effectively later. To begin adding the search app, navigate to your Wix website editor and look for the Add Apps icon, represented with a plus symbol on the left-hand menu. Click this icon to open the App Market. The Wix App Market has a variety of useful apps that you can add to your website. In our case, we're looking for the Wix Site Search app. Type Wix Site Search into the search bar of the App Market and press Enter. The Wix Site Search app should appear in the search results. Click on it to get more details about the app. Don't hesitate to confirm by clicking Add to Site. You might have to approve by clicking Allow and finally confirm by clicking Add to Site again, but don't worry, it's a simple process. Once the app is added, you'll notice a search bar has appeared in your website's header. Additionally, a new search results page is created automatically. At this point, it's a good idea to preview your site in mobile mode. A search bar may look perfect on desktop, but misaligned on mobile. Wix gives you full control to adjust mobile layout separately. Now let's customize that search bar to match your website's look and feel. Click on the search bar to select it. Once selected, click on the Settings option. Within the Settings tab, there is an option to customize the default placeholder text. This is the text that appears in the search box. For instance, if you have an e-commerce site, you might want to use the placeholder text, Search for Products. Choose placeholder text that reflects your brand's tone, friendly, professional, or minimal. This small detail can actually improve engagement. To change the search bar's appearance, click the Design and Layout icons. These options allow you to manipulate the search bar's colors, fonts, and icon placements to better match your website's aesthetic. Next, let's customize the search results page. This is where the user will be taken when they perform a search. You can enhance this page by adding your site's branding elements, such as consistent typography or a helpful header like Your Search Results. To do this, navigate to the Pages and Menu in the editor and select the Search Results page. Click on the Search Results element on the page and then click on Settings. This will open a new set of options. In the Settings tab, you can specify which content types will appear in the search results. For example, you can enable blog posts, products, or events based on your preference. If you have a lot of content, enabling filters can help users browse more efficiently. Additionally, you can adjust the order of these content types using the Reorder tab. The Display tab offers options to show or hide the All tab, enable a search bar on the results page, or change the placeholder text. Finally, it's time to share your updates with the world. Click the Publish button, located in the top right corner of the editor. This will make your changes live on your site, and your visitors can now use the search bar. So, there you have it, step-by-step instructions on how to add a search app to your Wix website. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Wix tutorials, and comment below if you want me to cover advanced search customization, search analytics, or how to build a fully custom search experience using Wix Velo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.